Acumatica implementations, right?
Yeah.
They can get pretty complex. You run into those little things you just don't anticipate.
Oh, absolutely.
Like, imagine you've customized things so a sales order approval status has to sync to the invoice right away.
Makes sense. Keeps everything aligned.
Exactly. Avoids confusion. But what if it's not working?
That's where someone like Mahesh comes in.
Oh, yeah. He's over at Tiana Solutions. This guy's a real pro, by the way.
He's worked on like tons of Acumatica implementations across all editions too,
So he's seen it all.
pretty much.
So in this case, what kind of problem was he solving?
Well, it all started with, the client needed sales order approvals to sync to their invoices.
Right, right. In real time.
Yeah, exactly. Sounds pretty simple.
Sure.
But Acumatica's caching mechanism, well, can make things tricky.
Okay, so caching. For those of us who don't live and breathe that stuff, why is that a problem?
So Acumatica uses caching to speed things up. It basically stores frequently used data temporarily, so the system's not always digging into the main database.
Okay, so it's like a shortcut.
Yeah, you could think of it
Yeah.
that way. But sometimes that temporary data, the cache, it gets old.
Stale data.
Exactly. Like when you're shopping online and the price doesn't update right away.
Yeah.
Frustrating.
Right. The worst.
So the invoice might be looking at old data about the sales order approval, not the most up-to-date info.
Uh-oh. That sounds like it could cause some problems.
Yeah, big time. You don't want an invoice getting processed that hasn't actually been approved.
So how did Mahesh approach this? Did he have to, like, rewrite a ton of code
No, thankfully not a complete overhaul. He saw that the cache wasn't refreshing when it needed to.
at the right time?
Yeah, exactly. So he added a little script that forced a cache refresh right after the sales order approval changed.
So it's all about timing.
Yep. He used something called a row persisted event. It basically triggers the refresh, like setting an alarm. As soon as that sales order gets approved, bam, new data.
Okay, so that's pretty clever. I bet that could be applied in other situations too, right?
Oh, definitely. Understanding how caching works in Acumatica, that's huge, especially for customizations.
It's like knowing that those little quirks can have a big impact.
Exactly. And that's where someone with experience like Mahesh, well, he just knows these things.
It makes a big difference.
Absolutely. Yeah, they really can. Knowing the platform inside and out, it's invaluable.
So Mahesh, he works at Tiana Solutions, right?
Yeah.
What can they do for Acumatica users? What's their specialty?
They're all about helping businesses, get the most out of Acumatica.
Optimizing things.
Exactly. They have a whole team, experts in like every aspect of the platform.
Configurations, customizations, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah, pretty much.
So they're the people you call when you're stuck, when you just can't figure something out.
You got it. They've seen it all. And they're good at untangling those tricky situations.
Especially with customized setups.
Yeah, those can be a real headache. It's like having a pit crew for your Acumatica system.
Keeping it running smoothly.
Exactly.
I bet a lot of our listeners know that feeling.
Yeah.
Hitting a wall, just can't find the solution.
Oh, absolutely. Happens to the best of us. And
Okay.
sometimes you just need a fresh perspective, someone who can see the bigger picture. And that's where Tiana comes in.
They can spot those solutions that you're missing.
Often, yeah. It's like having that aha moment.
And knowing there's a team that can get you there, that's got to be a relief.
Huge relief. And you know what else is great about Tiana?
What's that?
They don't just fix the problem, they teach you along the way.
Oh, so it's like empowering their clients.
Exactly. Knowledge transfer, they call it. They explain the why behind the solution, so you understand how it works.
That's awesome. So you're not just relying on them forever.
Right. You build confidence, in managing your own system.
So for anyone listening who wants to learn more about Tiana Solutions, how can they get in touch?
Give them a call, 678-910-2774. They're always happy to chat.
Great. I'm sure a lot of people will be doing that. This whole conversation about caching, it makes you think, what other little things in Acumatica are we missing that could be improved?
That's a good question. And it really shows how important it is to keep learning. About Acumatica, it's always changing, always evolving.
Always something new to discover.
Right. And if you have that mindset, of always learning, the rewards are huge. You can really stay ahead of the curve.
Give your clients an edge.
Exactly.
Who knows? Maybe one of our listeners will be the next Mahesh solving those tricky problems.
That'd be great.
So, to everyone out there, keep diving deep. Keep exploring. Keep pushing the limits of what Acumatica can do.
Absolutely. And if you get stuck,
Remember, there are resources out there to help you, like Tiana.
Exactly.
Well, thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of caching and expert solutions.
It's been a pleasure.
We'll be back soon with more insights and explorations. Until then, happy optimizing.
Happy optimizing. You too.